People say we are mad. Almost not a design school, but more like a cult of designers, training a generation to design tomorrow. More like a design think tank, more like an innovation studio. Welcome to the Design Village, India's first industry-centric design school, founded, managed and run by designers. A school that is an ecosystem, a designer's ecosystem for design education. Strategically located within Delhi's industrial environment and with a creative community on campus. Our educational campus hosts 350 inspired learners who access state-of-the-art facilities in our studios and labs. From the art of creation to a mindset of collaboration, to the skills needed to make anything imaginable. The Design Village is here to prepare designers for the future. Not just staff people, not just artisans, but true designers who know the industry in and out. Designers who know how to use design to solve complex problems. Designers who can use design as a way to change the world we live in today.